In today's video, I'm going to show you how to view and manage stock levels on Shopify. Keeping track of inventory helps you avoid overselling and ensures customers always know what's available. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're inside, look at the menu on the left side and click on Products. Next, select Inventory. This section displays all of your products along with their current stock quantities across your locations. Here, you can quickly see which products are in stock, running low, or out of stock. If needed, click on any inventory quantity to update the stock level manually. You can also use this page to monitor inventory performance and keep your product availability accurate for customers. After making any inventory changes, Shopify automatically updates your store so shoppers can see the latest stock information. That's it. You've successfully checked and managed stock levels on Shopify. Thanks for watching.